Aurora Horizons Fund is a mutual fund which uses hedge fund strategies. Here to talk about which hedge fund strategies are working the best is Scott Schweighauser. Welcome, Scott.
Thank you very much, Greg. Nice to be here.
All right, first of all, tell me about the fund, then we'll get into the strategies.
Sure. The fund was launched in March of this year with the intention that we were looking to create a vehicle that investors could look to create a core allocation within their portfolios. It's designed to allocate to sub-strategies, hedge fund strategies, which have absolute return as their focus. And there's a variety of strategies that we engage to accomplish that. We engage long-short equities managers, long-short credit managers, event-driven managers, short sellers, and macro managers.
And hedge funds are really big in the news this week because of what's happening with SAC Capital. And there's been a big trend towards mutual fund managers using hedge fund strategies. Do you think this will change in the light of what's happening at SAC Capital?
Not at all. You know, it's unfortunate that SAC is in the headlines because it tends to gather a lot of attention, but in no way does it describe the vast majority of hedge fund managers in the world today. The people that we're focused on are going to be great stewards of our capital and are not at all what you see in the newspapers. There's a popular conception that hedge fund managers are cowboys, that they're wild-eyed speculators. Nothing could be further from the truth. These are very conservative, very balanced investors who are looking to identify great securities on the long side and identify securities that they feel are overvalued on the short side and create very conservative portfolios.
And use a number of different strategies, event-driven, long-short stocks, long-short credit. Which one of those strategies is working the best for you right now?
The stock selection strategies are working very well. We're in an environment where fundamentals are mattering more now than ever since the financial crisis of 2008. We've had the resuscitation, the liquidity injections by the central banks here in the United States and in Europe, and most importantly in Asia with Japan and the Abenomics that is being implemented right now. That really lends a lot of credibility to managers who are focused on fundamentals and the ability of those fundamentals to matter very significantly in the determination of prices of the underlying securities.
So the managers get it, but do retail investors, are they more knowledgeable now or more now than ever with regard to the strategies you are using?
Well, part of our job is to make sure that we're educating investors. And we want to make sure that people who invest in the Aurora Horizons Fund are understanding of the type of managers that we're selecting, the process that we go through to select those managers, and have them know that we are great stewards of their capital. We've been doing this for over 25 years, and we've got a team in place that has a huge amount of experience in selecting the best hedge fund managers in the world. And we're bringing that to bear now on a retail-oriented product that we think will have tremendous viability and tremendous legs going forward.
All right, thanks a lot, Scott.
Greg, it was nice being here.
And thank you for watching The Street.